Hi everyone. Today, I've got something special for you. 15 incredible Amazon household gadgets that you probably didn't even know you needed. From cleaning hacks to clever storage solutions, we've got a bit of everything. We all know shoes can take up a lot of space in the closet, so why not make use of that often forgotten space under your bed? This underbed shoe storage organizer is the perfect solution to keep your shoes out of sight but still easily accessible. It's made from durable fabric with clear top covers, so you can quickly find the pair you need. With spacious compartments, it can organize shoes of various sizes and styles. Plus, it has sturdy handles, making it easy to slide out and put back under your bed. It's perfect for small spaces or anyone looking to declutter. Next up is the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, an absolute game changer when it comes to cleaning your floors. With its foot pedal spin system, you can control how much water is in the mop without ever touching the dirty water. The microfiber head grabs dirt, dust, and even pet hair effortlessly, making it great for hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. And the best part? The mop head is machine washable, so you can reuse it again and again. Ever struggle with organizing folded clothes, towels, or linens? The Stackable closet organizer is here to save the day. These lightweight shelves stack neatly, allowing you to create additional space in your closet or laundry area. They're also foldable, so you can easily store them away when not in use. These organizers are ideal for keeping your clothes tidy without having them tumble over in a messy pile. Perfect for seasonal storage or creating more room for your wardrobe. Ever wish you had a little more space in your shower? The OCA StrongHold Shower Accessory Cup is the perfect addition to help you organize your bathroom essentials. This sturdy cup adheres to smooth surfaces like tile or glass with a powerful suction grip, and it's perfect for storing razors, toothbrushes, or small bottles. The sleek design adds a modern touch to your shower and frees up space on your counter or sink area. It's a small but mighty solution for keeping your bathroom clutter-free. Bathrooms can get cluttered fast, especially when storage is limited. This slim bathroom storage cabinet is a tall, narrow unit that fits perfectly in small spaces, offering a lot of storage in a compact footprint. Its design is sleek and modern, making it a great fit for any bathroom style. With multiple shelves, you can store toiletries, cleaning supplies, or even extra towels. It helps declutter your countertops and keep everything organized, from your beauty products to your spare toilet paper rolls. How many times have you fumbled around trying to find your hair tools? This hairdryer holder rack is here to streamline your morning routine. It holds not only your hairdryer but also straighteners, curlers, and brushes, all in one convenient spot. It's heat resistant and designed to protect your countertop from heat damage, plus it keeps your tools neatly organized and tangle-free. Mount it on your bathroom wall or cabinet for easy access, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Do you have those hard-to-reach places in your kitchen or closet that are just a little too high? The Hideaway Stool is your solution. This compact step stool is not only foldable but also has a 180-degree rotation, making it easy to store and use in tight spaces. Whether you need to grab something from the top shelf or reach that tricky corner cabinet, this stool provides stability and support. Plus, it tucks away easily, so it's always there when you need it and never in the way when you don't. Ever have a genius idea while in the shower, only to forget it minutes later? The AquaNotes waterproof notepad ensures that never happens again. This clever notepad sticks to your shower wall and lets you jot down notes, ideas, or reminders while you're in the bathroom. Whether it's brainstorming your next big project or remembering to pick up groceries, AquaNotes keeps you on track, even in the shower. It's a fun, quirky gadget that adds a little productivity to your daily routine. Toothbrushes can quickly become messy and unhygienic. The OXO stainless steel toothbrush holder is a sleek and practical way to keep your brushes clean and organized. It holds up to 4 toothbrushes and has ventilation slots to allow them to dry properly, preventing mold and bacteria growth. The compact, stainless steel design also adds a modern touch to your bathroom countertop. With a removable top for easy cleaning, this toothbrush holder is both stylish and functional. Is your home office or entertainment area cluttered with cables? The cable organizer box helps hide that unsightly mess and keeps your space looking neat and organized. Simply place your power strips and cables inside the box, and it instantly declutters your desk or floor area. It also keeps wires out of reach from pets or children, offering a clean and safe solution for managing cables. With its sleek design, it blends in seamlessly with your decor while doing the important job of organizing those tangled cords. Tired of sponges that wear out after a few washes? The wire dishwashing rags offer a more durable, long-lasting solution for your toughest kitchen messes. These rags are made from fine metal wire, which gives them an incredible scrubbing power without being abrasive on your cookware. Whether it's caked on food, grease, or grime, these wire rags can handle it all with ease. Unlike traditional sponges, they won't trap food particles, so they're much more hygienic and less likely to develop that unpleasant sponge odor. Plus, they dry super quickly, which means no more soggy sponges on your sink. Perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine with a more sustainable and effective alternative. This small but mighty tool is designed to help you scrape off stubborn residue, like price tags, sticky labels, or even dried food from your countertops and stove. Its pen-sized shape allows you to reach tight spaces that are otherwise impossible to clean with a cloth or sponge. Whether it's a sticker on your glassware or burnt on food in the crevices of your oven, the Scrigit Scraper handles it with ease. It's compact enough to store in your kitchen drawer but effective enough to be a game-changer when you need it most. If you haven't heard of the pink stuff cleaning paste, you're in for a real treat. This multi-purpose cleaner has gained a cult following, and for good reason. It can clean just about anything. From grease and grime on your stovetop to tough soap scum in your bathroom, the pink stuff is tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it's non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it safe to use around your family and pets. Simply apply a small amount of paste, give it a scrub, and watch as even the toughest stains disappear. Ironing doesn't have to be a space-hogging chore with the Joseph foldable ironing board. This innovative design folds in half, making it incredibly compact and easy to store in small spaces like closets or even under the bed. Despite its size, it offers a full ironing surface with added features like non-slip feet and a hanging hook for convenient storage. The heat-resistant silicone area provides a safe spot to rest your iron while you adjust your clothes, ensuring a smooth, efficient ironing experience. Perfect for anyone living in a small apartment or for those who prefer a minimalist, clutter-free home, this foldable ironing board delivers maximum function in minimal space. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with the pop-up laundry basket. This lightweight basket pops open to hold your laundry and collapses flat when you're done, making it perfect for tight spaces. Its large capacity can hold an entire load of laundry, and the sturdy handles ensure that even the heaviest loads are easy to carry. Whether you're hauling clothes to the laundry room, the laundromat, or just across the house, this basket makes the trip much more manageable. And when you don't need it, simply fold it flat and tuck it away. It's that simple. This pop-up basket is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with laundry in a small space or for those who need a portable, easy-to-store laundry solution. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.